In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop pop-up ads on Opera browser. If you're tired of distracting pop-ups and slow pages, Opera has built-in tools that make blocking them quick and reliable without installing extra extensions. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is up, look to the left sidebar for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open your main preferences. If you prefer shortcuts, you can open the same page from the Opera menu at the top or with a quick key command, but the gear icon on the sidebar is the simplest way to get there. Inside Settings, head to the Privacy and Security section. This is where Opera groups its protection features so you can manage everything in one place. Take a moment to scroll and get familiar with what's available here. These options directly affect how sites load and how much data they can collect about your browsing. Next, find the option labeled Block Ads and surf the web up to 3 times faster and switch it on. Enabling this instantly blocks most intrusive pop-ups and heavy ad elements that slow down pages. You'll notice cleaner pages, fewer interruptions, and often faster load times because Opera is preventing many ad scripts from running in the background. On some sites, Opera may show a small shield icon near the address bar to indicate content is being blocked. That's normal and simply confirms the feature is working. While you're still in privacy and security, you can also enable the block trackers option. Turning this on helps stop tracking scripts that follow you across websites, which can reduce creepy retargeted ads and further streamline performance. It also adds a layer of privacy protection by limiting how much data advertisers can gather as you browse. That's all you need to do. Open Opera, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, enable block ads, and, if you want stronger protection and speed, enable block trackers as well. With these switches on, your browsing should be noticeably calmer, cleaner, and faster.